We asked our colleagues how well they understand VE3 and its culture, and they had to address some common myths about VE3. Let's see how confidently they answer.
We hire people who are brilliant at what they do, be it data, design, delivery, or people. What unites us is the way we think, not what's on the CV.
I'm in Pune. I have led global projects, working with UK clients, build programs across location. So geography is not limit here.
We build culture, we hire the right people, and also we create the processes that help the people to make their work easier. So I feel like admin is least work than the HR. Come here, work with us for 2 weeks, and then tell me that.
No, I don't think that's a reality because we work on a problems that matters. We also know that exhausted people don't build a good thing, so we take that seriously as well.